Wrecked steel and shattered glass looks like a total loss to most people, but she sees it different. She sees potential. In the Auto Collision Repair Technology program, students learn how to bring crushed metal and torn up frames back to life with skill, muscle, and precision. They dive into metalwork, estimating, and even the advanced repair of modern high-strength steel, aluminum, and carbon fiber vehicles. Join the program at Gadsden State and you'll train in real-world body shops, mastering everything from welding and structural repair to custom painting, refinishing, and high-tech frame straightening. You'll work with cutting-edge tools like computerized measuring systems, MIG welders, plasma cutters, and cutting-edge electric measuring systems. When you graduate, you'll be ready to go to work reshaping what's been broken and give it brand new life.